Hi everyone, I'm Captain Joseph. Welcome to Wake Up and Shine. Today I want to talk about something called pandemic, real pandemic, where in India itself more than 1200 people dying per day and lakhs in the world. That is called cancer. All over the world, it's a big business. Chemotherapy or radiation, so many other, it's become business. There is an insurance for it, mediclaim for that. It become a business. In 1933, if I'm not wrong, Dr. Otto, the German doctor, got a Nobel Prize on cell breathing. He said, when your body is acidic, your oxygen level comes down and the cells don't deprived of oxygen, they become anaerobic and they become cancerous. 1933, Nobel Prize winning subject. It's not a normal doctor who said this. And in the same topic he said, the moment you increase the oxygen level in your body, that cancer cells cannot survive and you will be back to normal. Then why so many people are still dying in India or all over the world because of cancer? And what is the treatment? Can anyone give a guaranteed treatment that chemotherapy, if I do chemotherapy, that it will not reoccur or you will be safe? So what is the cancer? Cancer is a survival mechanism of your body. There's a good book called same heading by Andreas Motis. I think every household should have that book. Every teenaged or any children or any adults, they should buy that book. I'm not promoting the doctor or I'm not promoting the book, but I read that book. I feel it is like a Bible. You don't need to be dying because of cancer. You can die in a car accident, you can die with so many other reasons, not because of cancer. And don't spend lakhs of 3.5 crore. One of my relatives recently spent on chemotherapy and she's no more. Why? Because the moment you understand the mortality rate is low till the time you don't know that you have a cancer. Mortality rate goes high the moment you come to know you have a cancer. So preparing for the cancer or how to treat a cancer, you have to prepare now, not when you get a cancer. So if you have a mother or your father or any relatives getting a cancer, discuss in your family, mama, papa, if you are getting cancer, this is the protocol we are going to follow it. This is a lifestyle disease. We just have to change our lifestyle. That's it. Like the Dr. Otto said, if your body is acidic, why body is acidic? When you eating acidic food, like all the animal product is acidic. High protein is acidic. Even like Sharon, we said nuts, not more than 10 nuts in a day. Milk, ghee. Ghee is a concentrate of protein. Many people think ghee is a medicine. If it is a medicine, you have to take once in a while, not every day. People are prescribing ghee for everything. Some particular disease can be cured, but so many other diseases will come along. Nobody realizes that. Skin disease, main reason is animal product and ghee. Of course, chemical, pesticides, of course, that is also there. So, cancer is a lifestyle disease. Just change your lifestyle. Stress is the main culprit for a cancer. So, if prepare yourself beforehand, first of all, if you prepare yourself, then you might be changing your lifestyle already. So, you will not be encountering cancer, if at all, because of your bad habits or whatever, the 40 years, 50 years of a bad habit, you might identify all this thing. But that's it. Even I don't remember, 2016 again one doctor got a Nobel Prize for fasting. Fasting can remove your cancer. Do you know that? In fact, fasting is the one big thing that you can get rid everything out of you. So bring your body to alkaline stage. For that you have to stop all the animal products, eat lot of fruits and vegetables, so you become alkaline, oxygen level comes up. Do exercise, oxygen level comes up. Do breathing exercise, oxygen level comes up. Relax, go for a vacation. Vacation means not into the sightseeing, go like place like any farm. Just go and stay in a farm. Take your kids, let the kids know where the carrot is coming, where the beetroot is coming, where the papaya, banana, these things coming. Not for 1 day, 2 days, just go touch and come. No, stay there for 1 week. See how you change yourself. World will be there, was there and will be there. Even if you take a 1 week off or 2 week off or 1 month off. So remove the stress, what is causing the stress, remove the stress, eat nice, fasting, cancer is out. It is not that nobody is done, so many people are done. But problem, what's stopping you is the scare. Oh my goodness, I got a cancer. So awareness. People scare the darkness. People don't know what to do when the cancer attacks. So same way, if you are scared to go into a dark room, the moment you put a light on, the scare is gone. Same way, if you educate about the cancer or any disease beforehand, you will not be stressed. And the moment you realize beforehand, then already you realize something is stressing you. Then you will be working on. So you will not end up on cancer. However, if you are a cancer patient or if you have anybody knows, just tell them. Even if you are taking chemotherapy, if you change your lifestyle, at least you can guarantee reoccurring will not happen. And people don't talk. That's another problem. If I have somebody in cancer or something, they don't. I don't know what is the taboo. So unless you talk, you will not get information. I strongly believe, since I am from Air Force, I strongly believe the parachute is useful when it is open. If it is closed and you're not able to open it, it is a dead weight. So keep your mind open as a parachute. Learn. Find the truth. See, if some other people will come and say this non-veg or animal products is good, that, apply yourself. Follow it. Find how your body is reacting. Then believe. Don't go by my words. No. Try it out. Eat good food, good fruits, vegetables. Stop animal product. See for 1 month and see the difference. Your skin will start giving away. People will, what happened? Why you're shining? How did you lose weight? How did you relax? These things will come up. Then you feel like running instead of walking. These the changes will come to. The moment it starts coming, then you will become a new person. So the disease is not a curse, it's a blessing. Provided you take that blessing in a right spirit and try to understand why the cancer or any disease come to you. So don't die of cancer, you can reverse it. Thank you. And if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends and subscribe it also, and it can help somebody's life. Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए वेकअप एंड शाइन चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगी ढेर सारी मोटिवेशनल कहानियाँ, इंस्पायरिंग इंटरव्यूज और बहुत सारा पॉजिटिव कंटेंट। स्टे पॉजिटिव, कीप शाइनिंग।